Look at that sweet little orange pumpkin family. Everybody say, "Aww." That is just the sweetest thing I ever did. Was that your idea, Dad?
Yeah.
Is that all you? Let's hear it for that, Dad, planning everybody what to wear. Get your hands set. They're all candied out. I'm sorry, I tried. That's why I'm here. Look at that poor little sweet bit. Both of you, your bones are showing. Somebody will give you a sandwich.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Well, it looks like the Gracie Manor is almost ready to have more guests. But before you go inside, is everybody ready for a swinging wake? Let me hear you say yeah! Well, Mr. Gracie's just inside those doors in the portrait room. You'll see him hanging around. And he has invited Madame Leota from beyond for a little seance. Anybody up for a little seance? Well, not everybody knows Leota. Do you know Madame Leota? She's the one that looks like she got her head stuck in a salad bowl. I ask her every night to come into the ballroom, and she won't come. Want to know why? She has nobody to dance with. Land of Goshen, you humans sure do like Halloween, so I guess I should say, Happy Halloween! All right, everybody, come on inside. They're waiting for you. Bye, Orange Pumpkin family. Good job, Dad.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, everybody else is getting candy and you got a baby. So I'll give you this win for that baby.
Practicing their terror with foolish delight.
That was funny. She had your number, Daddy. That was cute.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together. Leave.
attention. Once on board, remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. When spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. Actually, we have 999 hanging points. 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Every room has and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting
Talking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home. Kindly watch your step. Please watch your step.
A few minutes later.
Whew.